and welcome to the BNN, the Biology News Network. Today is April 30th, 2025, and our topic is human population growth and changing demographics. As the exponential growth of the human population in developing countries strains natural resources, science has been looked to for the answers. We will begin our quest for these answers with field reporter Trisha Okazaki.
Thanks, Mel. I'm standing here with Dr. Sir Adam Cork, who has pioneered a new form of birth control that could be very beneficial in controlling population growth. Dr. Sir, would you like to tell us about your project?
Yes, my team and I feel that by making effective, reliable, and convenient birth control available to men in developing countries, we could greatly reduce the exponential population growth of the human race. Elevated levels of testosterone decrease sperm production, rendering a man infertile. My team and I have developed a form of male birth control based on this premise. Injectable testosterone shots or silicone implants that could be inserted into the arm would work much like the Depo-Provera shot or Norplant do in women. The shot would be administered every 3 months, and the implants would work for 5 years. As an incentive, men who participated in this program would be eligible for some type of aid like food, water, or even plant pods that a colleague of mine has been developing.
Thank you, Dr. Sir Cork. I'm sure women everywhere will be praising your name. Woo! Back to you, Mel.
Thanks, Trisha. I would like to welcome G&M Operon and Angiosperm to the program. These scientists have been forging a path in the field of genetic engineering, specifically concerning plant genetics. Dr. Operon, could you tell us a little about the project you're working on?
Well, my team and I have been developing specifically engineered crops called plant pods, and they are extremely drought resistant and pest resistant, and these are developed specifically for farmers in developing countries who face tough economic and environmental issues. These plant pods, and I have an example with me right now, has a specifically genetically engineered seed in the very center, and it's surrounded by the dried soil and fertilizer. And then on the outside, the white ring there is sodium polyacrylate, you know, the stuff that they put in disposable diapers. That soaks up the water, so a one-time watering is all it will need. And then it's surrounded by a brown paper wrapping that will decompose in the ground. So all the farmer needs to do is plant this pod, water it once, and voila, food for his family.
Thank you, Dr. Operon. That sounds very promising. Dr. Osperm, would you update us on your research?
Yes, Mel. We are very excited about our water hyacinth program. Water hyacinths have the amazing ability to remove pollutants and clean water supplies. Our genetically engineered plants can absorb 20 times the pollutants than regular plants. These could help in the cleaning of water supplies in developing countries, vastly reducing the number of individuals contracting waterborne illnesses.
That is amazing, Doctor. Thank you both for joining me today. Even with the dilemmas presented by a rapidly growing and changing population, biology seems ready to meet the challenge. Thank you for joining us and have a pleasant day.